Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Decluttered. In this episode, let's look at question number 7 from JEE Advanced 2025 Maths Paper 1. Take a couple of minutes, try solving this question and then come back to me for my solution. Alright, given that you've tried it, we would have observed that the point S lies on a circle and our job is to find the center of the circle and the radius of the circle. Now, how this thing works is, if we plot the Argand plane and we plot point Z2 to be 0, 3 and point Z1 somewhere here to be 1, 2, we know from coordinate geometry that the line joining Z1 and Z2 will be inclined at 135 degrees, and I'm going to use this to my advantage. Now, the distance between Z1 and Z2 is root 2. There are two places on this line that S can lie. Let me denote them by S1 and S2. It's given that S is such that its distance from Z1 is twice the distance from Z2. So, S1 can be here such that this is 2 times this, or S2, the other end, can be here such that this distance is half of this distance. Now, by applying ratios and proportions, we know that mod of Z2 S2 will be equal to root 2 and mod of Z2 S1 will be equal to root 2 by 3. Now, these are the distances and this angle is 45 degrees. So, if I know the hypotenuse, which is the distance, I can find the y and the x, which is nothing but sine 45 and cos 45. In this case, both of them are going to be root 2, and that's going to help us find the coordinates of S1 and S2. Let's solve for the coordinates of S2 first. It is going to be at a distance of root 2 by 3 from Z2. So, I can very well say that I need to come a distance below of 1 by 3 and I need to travel a distance right of 1 by 3, which will give me the coordinates of S1 are going to be 1 by 3, 3 minus 1 by 3, which is 1 by 3, 8 by 3. And for S2, I need to go a distance of 1 right and 1 up. So, S2 is going to be minus 1, 4. Sorry, 1 left and 1 up. This gives us the coordinates of S1 and S2, and we know that these are going to be the end points of the diameter for the circle on which S lies. Now, the midpoint of this is given by 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, which is going to be minus 1 by 3, and 8 by 3 plus 4 by 2, which is going to be 10 by 3. So, the center of the circle is minus 1 by 3, 10 by 3, which is option A, and we can find the distance between these 2 points to find the radius, or technically we know that the distance between Z2 and S1 is root 2 by 3 and the distance between S2 and Z2 is root 2. So, the diameter is root 2 plus root 2 by 3, which is 4 root 2 by 3, and hence the radius is going to be 2 root 2 by 3, which is given by this. Now, you could have applied the distance formula or the modulus formula of the complex numbers and solved for this question, but I just used some basic visualization and trigonometry to solve this question. I hope you liked this solution. If you did, do share it in our comments below. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.